Hey guys, it's Katie, and today I'm going to share with you how to spy on your competitors and see what is working for them, so you can model them and implement the things that they are using in their business or for their ads, to be able to create the results that they're getting, or similar results to what your competition or competitors are getting in their business. So I believe this is one of the best ways to build your business, because you are going to do the things that work. You're not just going to be out there testing out different things, but you will be able to do the things that work. Let's go ahead and get started. So in this video, I will show you what type of ads is your competition running, and what type of ads are working for them. So you'll be able to model their ads and run, similar ads to your website, to your link, to your offer, whatever it is that you're promoting. So I am currently on Facebook ads library page. So in order to get to this page right here, you will have to either click the link below this video or just simply go to Facebook /ads and then /library. So you will end up on this page right here, and in order to spy or to look or research what your competition or competitors are doing, what you will need to do is simply type in the name of your competitor, or their Facebook fan page name, or whatever it is that somebody is doing who is in the same industry as you are in. So for this example, I will go ahead and show you Kartra, just to show you as an example, what type of ads they're running. If I am promoting Kartra, and as an affiliate, if I want to run similar ads, and see what type of ads are working, or it all depends what kind of offer you're promoting. You would need to look for your competitors, the marketers who are doing the same or in the same niche that you are in the same industry or niche that you are in. So let's go ahead and just type in Kartra. I will choose the Kartra official page right here. So as we can see, it shows us exactly what kind of ads Kartra is running and getting traffic. In this case, it could be any of these, Facebook or Instagram, any of these platforms that they're running ads on. If you want to see specifically what they're running on Facebook, what you would need to do is simply click Facebook in this drop down here, and you'll see exactly what type of ads Kartra is running on Facebook. Also, you have a couple options here if you want to see what type of ads were are recent, that have been running the last 7 days. You can also see what type of ads are running in the last 7 days. So in order to for you to create a similar ad, you just look at the ads that they are running. Obviously, I do not recommend copying and doing the exact word for word ad, but just take the information that they're putting into their ads and model it. Create your own ad that looks similar to the ads that are being created by a specific page or a company or a marketer, whatever it is and whoever it is that you're researching about. Simply just model them, and you can see, if you click all impressions, you can see what type of ads and how long they have been running. So this one specifically is from April 13th, this one April 2nd, so you can see exactly when these ads were created and how long they have been running for. Let's just take a look at another page here. I'll just do Shalene Johnson, just to show you an example or another example. All right, so here's the ads that Shalene is running to her websites, to her offers that she's promoting. So as you can see, it shows you exactly what type of ads they are running. So you'll be able to have an idea what type of ads to create when you are running traffic, or when you're planning to set up ads and run traffic to your offer, to your page. That way you don't have to, start testing out different ads that you don't even know how will perform, but you will already have someone that you can model and that you can follow and create similar ads as they are running. So that's it for this video. I just want to give you guys an idea of what you can do to spy on your competitors, to see what your competition is doing, and to figure out or know how to create your own personal ad, and how to model someone who is already successful and who's running successful Facebook ads. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, if you enjoyed the value that I've given you in this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't checked out my 7 aspects to building a successful internet business ebook, go ahead and click the link below, and I will see you in the next video.